Hi, it's Cindy Lazinski with Cindy Lazinski and Associates, coming to you today to talk just a little bit about the increasing value of your home. I know most of your primary residence is your largest investment. And if you're thinking about ways to really increase the value of your home, I want you to know that you don't have to start with knocking down walls and adding additions. In fact, sometimes really simple updates can have a huge effect on not just the value of your home, but the perception of the way that the people feel when they walk into your home. For example, a can of paint will go a long way. I will be working on painting my gate right now. There's a lot of nicks in it, simple fix. If you're looking at doing a simple project to give a little bit of value to the entrance of your property, get a can of paint. This is a trusty spray paint helper, and I just love the way this helps you spray. Makes it simple. Simple thing that I can do to make people enjoy walking through that gate. A few other little updates could be just refreshing the cabinet hardware, change the light fixtures. So if you're thinking about doing some home projects this year, let me know. We can discuss which things are best for you in your home and which things maybe aren't necessarily worth the value or the effort. And of course, if you are at all interested in finding out what the value of your home might be in this market, simply just reply to this email. I'll get you a free analysis of the value of your home, and we can talk about what steps you might want to take. Whether it's refinancing, selling, buying, I'm here for you. So if there's anything I can do, please let me know. I wish you a great day, and remember, above all, be kind, be nice, do an act of kindness that makes a difference in somebody's life. I have a lot more work to do, and actually, I better go get my mom. She's the painter.